Hey everyone, welcome back. We are living in an amazing time. In today's video, we're going to talk about a topic that's been on a lot of people's minds. AI, specifically the fear that AI will take away jobs from humans. It's a legitimate concern, but I'm here to tell you that AI isn't a threat to your job. It's an opportunity to improve yourself and become better at what you do. First off, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, AI can automate certain tasks, but that doesn't mean it can replace human workers entirely. There are still many tasks that require a human touch and creativity, and that's where you come in. What's important is that you don't view AI as a threat, but rather as a tool that can help you become more efficient and effective in your job. Think about it this way: if you can work alongside AI to automate certain tasks, that frees up more time for you to focus on other important areas of your job that require a human touch. Now let's talk about some specific examples of how AI can benefit various industries. In healthcare, AI can help doctors diagnose and treat diseases more quickly and accurately. By analyzing large amounts of patient data, AI can identify patterns and predict outcomes that may have gone unnoticed by a human doctor. This can ultimately lead to better patient outcomes and more lives saved. In finance, AI can help banks and investment firms make better investment decisions. By analyzing large amounts of financial data, AI can identify trends and predict market movements that humans may have missed. This can lead to better investment performance and higher returns for investors. In manufacturing, AI can help companies automate their production lines and improve their supply chain management. By using sensors and predictive analytics, AI can optimize production schedules and reduce waste, leading to higher efficiency and cost savings. But AI isn't just beneficial in traditional industries. It can also help you be successful online. AI-powered tools can analyze user data and behavior to help you create better content, target the right audience, and even optimize your website for search engines. For example, if you run an online store, AI can help you personalize the shopping experience for each individual customer based on their past purchases and browsing behavior. This can lead to higher conversion rates and more sales. So how can you adapt and overcome the fear of AI taking your job? The answer is simple: embrace it. Learn as much as you can about AI and how it can benefit you and your company. The more you know, the more you can position yourself as an expert in your field. But how can I do this, you ask? One way is by taking online courses or attending workshops on AI and machine learning. There are many free and paid resources available online that can help you learn the basics and gain practical skills. Another way to adapt is by collaborating with AI. If you work in a field that can benefit from automation, try to identify tasks that can be automated and work with your company's AI team to implement the technology. This can free up more time for you to focus on other important areas of your job. And here's the best part: AI can actually create more job opportunities for humans. As companies embrace AI, they'll need skilled workers to help implement, maintain, and improve the technology. That means there will be more jobs available for people who are willing to learn and adapt to the changing landscape. In conclusion, don't be afraid of AI taking your job. Embrace it and learn as much as you can about it. Work alongside AI to become more efficient and effective, and position yourself as an expert in your field. Now get out there and chase those stars. Until next time, friends.